Hey, human of universe, people of universe, here we are in Bharat, we are celebrating 75th years of independence or Azadi ki 75 years. So, one of the finest, things of Bharat is that Bharat has changed in the last 7-8 years. It has changed for the betterment, and it has changed in such a way that it has reclaimed its place in the new global order. So I am on the Satragachi railway station, one of the finest stations, one of the cleanest stations I have found in Bharat. So I am here in front of one of the sentiment of Modi ji, Ekti station, Ekti Ponno, that is one station is one product, but I hereby request the Prime Minister of Bharat, Narendra Modi ji, sir, please change it to Ekti station, Ekti Santan, like one station is like one of our children of the Bharat Mata, one station, one child of Bharat Mata. Let's bring back that sentiment of Bharat or being Bharatiya or being anything that is related to Bharat. Not exactly, we are here not to promote commercialization of everything. Let's bring back the ethos of ancient Bharat. So Ekti station, Ekti Santan of Bharat Mata, or one station is one child of Bharat Mata. Jai Hind. So this is what the sentiment of Bharat, of rather Modi ji's own sentiment probably, Ekti station, Ekti Ponno. So let's change that and let's make it Ekti station, Ekti Santan, or one station is one child of Bharat Mata. Jai Hind.